Welcome back to my channel. Hello दोस्तों, I am Anu and you are watching Tech and Nature. If you have Samsung smartphone and you want to hide your personal things like videos, photos, contacts and many more things, then this video is beneficial to you. Samsung offers more security features to its users. Samsung offers two pre-installed security apps. First is Secure Folder and second is S Secure. If these two apps not in your phone, you can download from Play Store. First I talk about Secure Folder. This interface of this app is very easy to use. And click on Secure Folder. Enter pin 1, 2, 3, 4, then OK. There are many options on screen like lock apps, add files and edit apps. When you click on add apps icon, you can add from your phone and also download from Play Store. Just like I am adding Gmail, add like this. When you click on add files, you can add from your phone. There are many options appear on screen. Choose one. Like I choose document, select, download, syllabus, then done. When you click on edit apps, if you want to remove apps from your secure folder, then click on edit apps and choose one app. Like I am choosing Gmail, disable. This app also offers customized icon of your secure folder. Click on three dots, click on customize icon and choose any one. Like I am choosing this. Change the name like business and apply. Then you see your secure folder become a business folder. And if I talk about secure, this app is also very user friendly. Click on secure. This app also offers some great features for its user. When you open this app, you see app interface, top right corner settings and two more options middle on screen. When you click on setting, it shows three options: lock and mask apps, secure Wi-Fi, about as secure. Click on lock and mask app to set a lock. Click. Then you set 5 types of locks: pattern, pin, password, face and fingerprint. Set a lock. Like I'm tap on pin. Set a pin. 1 2 3 4. Continue. 1 2 3 4. OK. If you want to lock apps, click on lock apps. Then click on add and choose one of app. Click and then done. And if you want to unlock any app from your Secure folder, click on unlock, choose app and click on unlock, then pack. And if you want to mask and unhide any app from your phone, click on mask app, click on add, and choose one of any, like I want to hide Instagram, choose this app, click on done, and Instagram is marked. And like if you want to unmask or unhide any app from your Secure folder, you click on unmask, choose app and unmask. With this app you also secure your Wi-Fi when you connect it to other network. Secure for your Wi-Fi. So these two apps are very useful when you want hide your stuff from other people. If you new on my channel, first subscribe the channel for new updates, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, like my video and share. Thank you for watching my video.